What's up everybody? This is BTK here doing a product review for Viking Cycle on one of the brand new leather vests just released. Check it out. The Viking Cycle leather vest is made with real leather, good strength and very clean. The stitching made throughout the vest are folded and stitched, which creates separation less likely to happen. The silk on the inside of the vest is very clean for any daily or weekend rider, making it very comfortable on your back. Viking used a heavy-duty zipper instead of the generic brands used today. They are strong and stitched in very nice for all the pulls to be made. There are tags labeled on the inside to identify each pocket's ideal purpose. It either be sunglasses, a knife, or a cell phone. The vest also has a key lanyard to attach to your keys to prevent them from being lost. The straps on the side are X-stitched several times over to guarantee the material to be strong for those adjustments wanting to be made. The vest allows you to change the sizes between small to medium and large to extra large. I'm not one to stunt with a motorcycle vest on, but I'm going to put this vest to the test. Check it out.
Acted all alright, had no need to fight. Tonight fucked and drank all night, acted all alright, had no need to fight. Tonight